Ay, chin popa bana ni. Anong majay na dong ano. Alright, so do you have a log mama? Hey. Pangi ko mira log ka log. Kadi na na posting video ya akan siya makana wa. Alright, so this is it. Logo berutie mo bara maduong masih last ben mo am I think numero ngarma yo actually dama duong wo penya. Ngar Japan ni mo bi penya bi no studio bar Kampala ngani in part of Loverboy degi penga. Pagan la hanye because the time la voila, time la poya. But like up to now, my law and Pagam dog near it with Naromo Lanya Lan get a good kenyo, Pamelo nye, get a bus. Then the Ricarmo da ringe. Look, I don't have been. Ne, Joe won the Pato wundurem. Chavane, why the Pato wundurem? Can I know what? One part watiki collabos ma duong like in the way when my work at Uganda na altiki Uganda parne cha tiki we ker ma duong lo tiki we ki parne cha wa pa ka pege mo muken po wangi wanyigi muken we dong to lala ta studio muken karo muken po karo actually most of them pe ko karo giti so lako berka menya duong paro pe mare paro kere paro wa in lo ko maraj paro wa I dege wa en degi full I did a nyere come Lorel Chaka Karmati Copper Studio na Kampala. I think that was around 2021. Marketika good. Kamano Kitika Yapoki was it backup or Django Beats? Backup, yeah, Chaka backup. So Nemo Patowa Yende Karma dong Nyawata Make Karma Chaka Yapo Studio Mega Mano Kata backup records before Django Beats. So nyero cha maki dege tika lok kenye ma rejo bodano tika timongo pay o bore cha ja uno tim un ja ma wo mara neta petika konyu because and I visited Pato studio almost every day. Ikarma kitika yupene almost every day tika America ukono. Process by process. Guiding Pato my will equipments and America guiding Pato and I listed for him ngo mumira o will me bay me studio. Actually, I think I was one of the first people contacting Matika Yapa Studio. I mean, my budget, he used them on like I don't know. I guided him on how to to buy good equipments and all that and their prices and all that. Then we producer my mega manukar Kilwani Samuel Z. Eochi setting up backup records. Producer my mega ba? Pangara kitiwa ela nyerone. But you are setting up backup records. Pato you wene anyim kibara menano wala boy PRB he became one of the biggest song banner. And inge wati mo collabos badwata alimu wa Pato ma the last time ma ogulu 3 months ago alimu Pato about Pato. We talked and everything. Ka ogulu actually kissing on ka no Pato wa low bogolo pero at least then ni loko birma duong mo pedato akarna wenga kana but and I still don't believe ni mo Pato dega na de mara because I don't remember doing anything against Pato and I don't remember Pato doing anything against me. And I've been with me and Pato we came a long way. Let me say 2006, 7, 8, 9, Gikinyo. Let's say around 8. There was a time a Pato Beru Bora, the Kama Food No Studio at the bus pack. There's a time Pato Beru Bora, BSU Beru Bora, Kiddy Feso Beru Bora, OJ Maxwell Beru Bora, the way Madongo Beru Bora. I took care of them properly. Like, Kone Bolo Dog, Kone Ati Yatu, Kone or Genawati, Mama Bichaman and I want to be Chamon or Matia. At some point, Papa made a long jing journey. At some point, there are some people my will were bongi komdi. Or bongi make a rama. Or promoters moke and magupe bora. Can glue in the worldwide. I are calling you. My party. Finances, feeding, bongi komgi, ngogini. I think my job anyway. But most of them turn against me for a reason I still don't understand. And I know. So, there are like 2-3 people I think they had a mission of Balonia, like to destroy me at some point. But they go to you because kiwani like yomchun ki gair ki nyach, and that is exactly an. I did a lot of great things for people, Iguana, but at the end of the day, at some point I was framed, blamed, hated, and I'm glad the love is coming back. I'm glad a lot of people now love me and support my music. But we love me, Kawai my bag or marach. Chinara dukine. A duki palok, ano makilogani mo pato dega kono kiwache ana balancing pato, ana tika nyere kom pato. Adukina was the best. Adukina was the best gift I've ever received in this world. Why do you think I owned the entire Django Beats? Everything from Django Beats. Geno party on Django Beats. Every art in that building again. But everything belonged to me. Every duki me be kira. Kia duki me nyama kelanyo. It turned out something good. I remember at some point they tried to turn me against Montana. I don't even know the guy. I bang Montana, like even the face, I didn't know. But why are you trying to turn me against somebody I don't even know? But guess what? It turned out to be the best friendship. Kumbidi Montana is like a brother to me. A brother to me, I'm telling you. And me and Montana can talk on phone for 4 hours. If I ask myself, what are you talking about? I don't even know. Montana turned out to be my best friend. As a result of Balonia Makibalo Bore, Lanyonya Makilanyo Bore, but Montana Bedanma, we in the peg talk about, we la mal. Or when you la hadano wang mud, just you're digging out and realize actually I'm a very good guy. I'm a very good guy. And guess what? We partnered in so many things, in so many ways. Right now, we are the best of brothers. Now, so, if you take it in a positive way, it turns out a very good thing. Now, on everything they said I was jealous about. Everything. But at the end of it, apeki balmo, apeki peromo, apeki nyeromo kompato. I love that guy's music. I love him. I visit Pato anytime I reach school. I want to hear it from him. One day, maybe you'll open up and tell me, join that dig here. So I think I'll believe it. But for now, I'll just take things the way they are because you know when the ding. And Jama, they turned against me, they know. They paid back the prices, you know. So we love in it. It's a place where you need to love each other for you to be able to make it in life. And I'm for you get it. I'll wait for the results of this video.